Before game starts, you have options here to practice, build if you have material, or interact with your friends. When you are in boss, press down button to say thank you to bus driver. Press touch button to go to map. Use RX to move around the map and press R1 to choose somewhere and land. With pressing X, you can jump out of the bus. You have two options. You can go slow or you can go fast with LX. If you want to go somewhere that is far, you can use your glide with pressing X. The sooner you land, the better opportunity you have to get all of those done. Jump with X button. Move with LX. Move your camera with RX. Squad with pressing RX. Press LX twice to jog. Press it one more time to run. Press it one more time to jog again. Press R2 to destroy a tree and get some wood. Press R2 again to destroy a rock and get some break. Use R2 again to break something that is made of metal to get some metal. To pick up ammo, just go over them. To pick up a gun, just press rectangular. Press circle to go to build. You have 4 different options. Press L2 to make a ramp. Press L1 to make something like this. Press L2 to make some walls. And press R1 to make a ceiling. When you press circle, you have 3 different types of materials. You have bricks, you have metals, and also you have wood. You can go over different types of materials with pressing L. If you press up, you're gonna go and see what you have. You have gun, you have ammo, and you have resources and all of those materials. With pressing down, you can go to emotes. With pressing left, you can mark somewhere to go with your friends. With pressing left twice, you can mark an enemy. You need to stay out of the circle if you want to keep playing. You have to press right if you need something. For example, I need to. If you stay in a storm, it damages your health and you die if you stay in it. With pressing touch button, you can see the map. Leave the game with pressing option button, going to right, leave map, and leave.